everyone, this is Laura Lee, your instructor for HM 1025. I just wanted to take a minute and go over one way to get rid of this common issue in Connect Prime Suite, which is to get rid of the loading 100% screen. So if you have this issue, usually what the problem is that there is something wrong with the Flash plugin. Maybe you have your pop-ups are blocked, or maybe you don't have your Adobe allowed or your Flash allowed. So what you can do is, if you get stuck on the screen, look up at your browser bar. And first of all, I recommend using Chrome. This is probably only going to help you out if you're using Google Chrome. If you're using Microsoft Edge, which I know comes on the laptops that are sent out by the school, that is not the best browser for Prime Suite. I would definitely recommend downloading Google Chrome, which is free. You can search for it in your search engine and download it on your laptop. And I think it's a little faster too. Alright, so if you're getting stuck at this loading screen, if you look up at the browser bar, you may see this thing. It looks like a little puzzle piece with an X down next to it, and it may look slightly different on your computer based on what version of Chrome you have installed or what type of device you're using. It says Flash was blocked on this page. You can either do Run Flash this time or Manage it. So if you click Manage it, you might be able to update your settings here. But if you're not able to, you can click on Run Flash this time. And sometimes I recommend using Run Flash this time just because this can be a common issue where you get stuck at loading every time you try to do the assignment, and the websites are slightly different because you're doing different demos and practices. So if you click Run Flash this time, it should open it right up for you. Just make sure you have your volume on.
Click Visit Information Check-in.
And go through the assignment.
Click Rubinsky Mark to select him.
So I hope that helped you out. If you still are stuck or if you still have questions, feel free to let me know. And I can also send you the information for the McGraw-Hill technical support line if this doesn't help you out.